anything you say, you can defend that. You a real bad girl when no take back chat. And anything you say, you can defend that. True. No girl can style you.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today is another unboxing video, but this is not nail related. And I actually had, I'm gonna move this out the way. But y'all, I got a little hookah and I'm so excited because this is not the big hookahs, and y'all know it's a budget friendly. So if y'all want a little hookah or a mini on the go hookah, this is definitely good for you. And I'm gonna go ahead and put where I got this from. I got this from Past the Hookah. She's located in Miami, but she actually does she actually has a website where she's able to ship them all across. So she's able to ship to Atlanta, she's able to ship to New York, she's able to ship wherever you are. So yeah, my nails are looking kind of old right now, so don't mind the dirty looking nails. But yeah, so she does ship across the country. So I got this actually for $30 because I got the whole kit. So the whole kit comes with everything you need for your hookah. But if you just want the hookah itself, it is I believe $25. And she recently had a sale, so you gotta follow her Instagram and y'all will be able to catch up or keep up with the sales, you feel me? So since this is an unboxing video, I'm gonna quickly unbox this because I'm ready to smoke my sheets. So yeah, so in this right here, in this little bag, since she did do mine, she did drop off mine, but I don't know how she packaged her stuff for I don't know how she packaged her things for when she's doing shipping, but since this was a delivery, she did put it in a bag for me, and that is perfectly fine. So yeah, this is the kit, the on-the-go kit. It comes with a lot of stuff, so I'm gonna show you guys what it comes with. And this is the charcoal, so this is so you can put inside your hookah. It comes with the charcoal. Ooh, it comes with a lighter. Okay, I like that it comes with a lighter so I can light my my hookah. And y'all don't steal my lighter. I know it's lighter thieves around here. Oh yeah, I had asked for a strawberry flavor, and it comes with the strawberry flavor. I don't know what they call these, but if y'all know the name, please comment down below because I honestly don't know the name, but I know it tastes good. So yeah, it came with that. That's good. And it came with a different mouthpiece. So I believe this is about six mouthpiece. Yeah, it came with 6. Oh no, yeah. There's 3. Oh, it came with 7. That's not bad. Oh, 8. Sorry, I left one in the bag. And it came with the mouthpiece thing, so you can change them throughout, or you can clean them. They're reusable too, but if you're sharing, and I ain't sharing, so I'll be cleaning mine. I'm gonna open the hookah now. I really like that it came with a lighter. It came with like all of the essentials that you would need for your hookah. I like that. And so for the hookah, the Moon King hookah. Ooh. Okay, and it's pink. Oh my God, it is pink, y'all. I wanna cry. Oh my gosh, it is pink. It's pink with this little stick. Oh, this is for your for the flavors. Okay, I like that. I like that. I'm gonna move this. I want you guys to see what's inside. Oh my God, it is so cute. It is so pretty, y'all. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. And it is not too heavy. So y'all know when I'm walking around in a party or in a club, whatever, it's quarantine. But when you having game nights or something, I can be bougie. This is so cute, y'all. This is so cute. And then you have the thing. This is the pipes. A little pipe shit. And you have this to go on top. Yeah, it is a little DIY, you feel me? But this is cute. I really want to put it together. Oh, and it has an LED light at the bottom. That is definitely cool. I'm gonna see if I can put this together. See if we can. I like how she put a lighter too in there, so you know, definitely need that. And this gonna be in my fanny pack, cause still, who lighter? We fight in a day. But yeah, no, this is actually really good, and all of this was for $36, so I feel like it was really worth the price. And like, no lie, I would definitely order a different color for like if I'm going on vacation or something. But if I'm going to, you know, if I'm going somewhere, I'm gonna need it. But yeah, I really like it. I would definitely order another one. So I'm telling y'all, she does delivery in the Miami area, as well as she ships overseas. I'm sorry, not overseas, but across the country. So yeah, order yours today, y'all. I'm gonna put the information, well, I'm gonna go ahead and put the information in the description box, so you guys can see the different things that she have on her website. And she also has the big hookahs, so you guys will definitely be able to see all of that on her website. But yeah, pass me the hookah. Thank you again. I really like this. I'm gonna really enjoy my hookah today. Thank you, and thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this, and yeah, come back, y'all. Y'all stay safe, and for the protesters, y'all, please be careful out there. Just be careful. Thank you.
You say you can defend that. You a real bad girl when no take back chat. And anything you say you can defend that. True. No girl can style you.